friends, come sing with me. Down under where the fun will be. Let's meet the animals, 1, 2, 3, in the land of Aussie mystery. Kangaroo, kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Kangaroo, kangaroo, never wants to stop. Kangaroo, kangaroo, bounces all day. Kangaroo, kangaroo, hip hooray. Koala, koala, sleepy and sweet. Koala, koala, munching to eat. Koala, koala, high in a tree. Koala, koala, smiles at me. Platypus, platypus, what a sight. Platypus, platypus, swims at night. Platypus, platypus, feels so wide. Platypus, platypus, loves to glide. Emu, emu, long and tall. Emu, emu, runs with them all. Emu, emu, can't fly high. Emu, emu, races by. Wombat, wombat, digging a hole. Wombat, wombat, cute and droll. Wombat, wombat, short and round. Wombat, wombat, loves the ground. Cockatoo, cockatoo, feathers white. Cockatoo, cockatoo, such a sight. Cockatoo, cockatoo, squawk and play. Cockatoo, cockatoo, fly away. Kookaburra, kookaburra, laughs all day. Kookaburra, kookaburra, ha ha, they say. Kookaburra, kookaburra, in the sun. Kookaburra, kookaburra, full of fun. Dingo, dingo, wild and free. Dingo, dingo, runs with glee. Dingo, dingo, in the sun. Dingo, dingo, on the run. Echidna, spike so neat. Echidna, tiny feet. Echidna, rolls up tight. Echidna, what a sight. Tasmanian devil, growl and grin. Tasmanian devil, round and spin. Tasmanian devil, noisy crew. Tasmanian devil, we love you. That's our Aussie animal crew. Hopping, flying, swimming,